Hey, bro. Hey, bud. Thank you. I agree. I could eat him. Jackie.
Music teacher here at Shoal Creek. I'd like to welcome you to your first music program here at Shoal Creek with this group of students. As we do the program, I'd like to point out a couple of things to you. I've had some conversations with some of you about our curriculum in music. We work a lot on steady beats. We work a lot on pitch matching and the ability to use your singing voice. We work a lot on internalization. That means the ability to sing something inside your head and be able to keep the steady beat as the music goes without actually singing out loud. And then we also work on just the joy and the love of music, whether that be the love of music just listening to it on the radio, or if we're fostering a new Broadway star here, right here, our very own Shoal Creek stage. So as we perform tonight, I hope you kind of watch and pick up on our steady beat and our internalization and our singing. Enjoy our presentation of Too Much Noise. Once long ago, there was an old man named Jacob who lived with his family in a very old house. The chairs squeaked,